Okay, sorry, one second. So from reading the paper about reflection and treatments and therapies in burnout is often misunderstood as simply needing, I think more self-care in a sense. But Emily and Amelia in the video, they basically suggest that the approach that we usually take isn't good enough. So according to the Nagoskis, the most effective, way or therapy for burnout would involve interventions like restoring like your emotional and physiological balance, right? Than like surface level. So better than just, doing minimal things. Basically, they highlight restorative activities that include boundaries. So like play with connection and with supporting communities and things like that. They basically continue to emphasize that meaningful recovery requires identifying a more underlying stressor, right? So addressing them directly rather than just engaging in the pampering or like the superficial me time is what's gonna really help the burnout and stuff. So burnout can be basically three primary components: exhaustion, cynicism, and detachment, and a sense of reduced personal accomplishment. So not feeling like you're doing enough. When these signs persist, basically indicates that stress has surpassed an individual's coping, capacity, making rest and self-care alone inefficient. So basically it won't be enough, right? And then the Nagoskis also note that burnout manifests differently, with different genders. So women, when they experience burnout, they're more emotional and have more guilt, right? Men may show like withdrawal or irritability, so they might be irritable. So trying like to mask the emotional aspects of the burnout. But personally, the video was really, really helped me see. It kind of shifted my understanding of what I think burnout was. Fair to like self-care, to like see the importance of like having support and social support and just structure and recovery. It reminded me to pay attention to the root cause of these stresses, right, or the burnout, right? And yeah, I feel like I could definitely incorporate some of these practices in my life to allow, better emotional support and physical, just health, right? But thank you.